Students, good afternoon. Welcome to the fourth part of the chapter S block elements. In this part, we will discuss about some important compounds of magnesium and calcium. The first compound is magnesium chloride and hexahydrate MgCl2.6H2O. Preparation, so from carnallite, carnallite like MgCl2.6H2O on heating, it will give MgCl2 basically. So carnallite. Next, from seawater. So seawater is treated with lime when all the magnesium ions present in it get precipitated in form of magnesium hydroxide. Okay, Mg2 plus Mg2 plus CaOH whole twice gives MgOH whole twice plus Ca2 plus, and MgOH whole 4 plus 2HCl gives MgCl2 plus H2O. Laboratory preparation. In laboratory, magnesium oxide react with hydrochloric acid to form their magnesium dichloride and water. So it is the laboratory preparation. Magnesium carbonate react with hydrochloric acid to form magnesium chloride plus water plus CO2. Properties. Hydrated magnesium chloride is colorless, crystalline, highly reliquescent solid, and it is highly soluble in water. On heating, it undergoes partial hydrolysis to form a basic chloride, which on further heating decomposes to form magnesium oxide. For example, MgCl2.6H2O after heating gives MgOH whole Cl, and after heating this will give magnesium oxide. Therefore, anhydrous salt cannot be prepared by heating the hydrated salt. Okay, MgCl2, Mg plus Cl2 gives MgCl2. Now, when saturated solution of magnesium chloride is mixed with magnesium oxide, the resulting paste set a hard mass having composition MgCl2.5H2O.XH2 is known as the Sorel's cement. What is known as Sorel's cement? Used in the making Sorel cement, which is used in the dental filling, and it is used in the lubricating cotton thread and spinning. It is used in the preparation of magnesium oxide and other magnesium compounds. Other compound is magnesium oxide prepared magnesium carbonate after heating gives magnesium oxide and carbon dioxide. Property: it is white powder which is slightly soluble in water. It is very stable of heat to fuses, and this is why it is used for the refractory material in lining of electric furnace. It is a basic oxide. It reacts with water to form their hydroxide with acid and salts. Okay, next, MgO basic oxide react with water to form their hydroxide and salt. Uses: magnesium uses: it is used in refractory material for lining of electric furnace, used in the preparation of Sorel cement, asbestos, and used for the insulator of steam pipe with boilers, filling of rubber. Okay, magnesium sulfate MgSO4.7H2O. It occurs in mineral, that is epsomite MgSO4.7H2O and cassiterite MgSO4 plus .4H2O. Preparation: from cassiterite, so powder of mineral is dissolved in water. The resulting solution is concentrated and cooled. When crystal of MgSO4.7H2 will be obtained. Okay, from magnesite, so MgCO3 react with concentrated H2SO4 to give magnesium sulfate and water plus carbon dioxide. From dolomite calcium carbonate MgCO3 react with sulfuric acid to form calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, water plus carbon dioxide. So in this way you will obtain the magnesium sulfate. Laboratory preparation: so in laboratory, magnesium oxide react with sulfuric acid to form magnesium sulfate plus water, and this magnesium carbonate react with sulfuric acid to form magnesium sulfate and water plus carbon dioxide. Properties: colorless crystalline solid with highly soluble in water, efflorescent compound, and loses water of crystallization on exposure to air. Heating at 423 Kelvin loses 6 water of molecule. So these are basically known as the water of crystallization. Okay, and form their monohydrate. For example, this is magnesium sulfate heating this form monohydrate, and this monohydrate heating with this temperature to form simple magnesium sulfate, and magnesium sulfate further heating gives to break into magnesium oxide and sulfur trioxide. Uses: it is used as a purgative in medicine. It is used for fire profiling paper and cotton. It is used for dyeing and tanning process. Okay, Next, calcium oxide or quicklime. So calcium carbonate after decomposition gives calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Properties: it is white amorphous solid. Heat When heated in oxyhydrate hydrogen flame, it become in incandescent and emit a brilliant white light known as the limelight. On exposure to atmosphere, it absorbs moisture and carbon dioxide. When treated with water, it gives hissing sound and forms a calcium hydroxide with the evolution of huge amount of heat. The process is known as the slacking of lime, and product is known as the slacked lime. Reaction: CaO plus H2O gives CaO का whole twice. It is a basic oxide and react with water to react with acidic oxide to form their carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. CaO plus CO2 gives CaCO3. CaO plus SO2 gives calcium sulfide. Okay, use: it is extensively used in manufacturing of the calcium chloride, calcium carbide, and bleaching powder. Okay, now other uses: used in the limelight, it is used for the drying gases and alcohol, used for the purification of sugar, etc. Calcium hydroxide or slacked lime. Preparation: CaO plus H2O gives calcium hydroxide. Okay, known as the slacked lime. Property: calcium hydroxide is white amorphous powder, sparingly soluble in water, and this is known as the milk of lime, and the clear solution known as the lime water. Chemically, both are calcium hydroxide. Reaction with CO2: calcium hydroxide react with CO2 to form calcium carbonate. The reaction forms the basic use of lime water form a direction of CO2. CaO is whole twice plus CO2 form insoluble calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate react with water and CO2 to form a calcium bicarbonate or baking soda. Calcium bicarbonate after heating give calcium carbonate plus water and carbon dioxide gas. Okay. Next, reaction with chlorine. So calcium hydroxide react with chlorine to form calcium hypochlorite CaOCl2, and this milk of lime react with chlorine to form calcium chlorate, and this calcium chlorate calcium chloride with the slacked lime bleaching powder is obtained. After the reaction of calcium hydroxide and chlorine, it will form CaOCl2, that is known as the bleaching powder. Okay, uses: manufacturing of bleaching powder, caustic soda, and sodium carbonate. It is used in the building material for making mortar and plasters, used for the softening and hardening of water. Okay, softening for hard water. Okay, thank you, have a nice